Good morning, class 4 students. In my last two videos, I have already read and explained lesson 1, The Clever Jackal of your English Reader book. Today, I'll be starting with the comprehension and exercises of lesson 1. But before I start that, I would like to summarize the story, The Clever Jackal. Long ago, there lived a very cruel and ferocious lion. He ate any animal that came in his way. All the other animals were scared of him and were worried about the fate of the jungle, that this way no animal will be left in the jungle. As the lion killed more and more animals, so the animals decided to hold a meeting. In the meeting, the wise old owl suggested that one animal will go to the lion as his food each day. This was a sad choice for the animals, but they had no other option but to agree to the proposal. The animals went to the lion and conveyed their message to him. The lion agreed, as now he will not have to go and hunt. So it was decided that each day one animal or the other would go to the lion as his meal. The first day, a deer was sent to the lion. His wife, the doe, that's a female deer, cried all day. The next day, a rabbit was sent. Her little children were very sad and did not eat for 3 days. A whole month passed in this way. The animals were very sad to see their friend and family members becoming the meal of the lion one by one, but there was no other option or solution to their problem. One morning, it was the turn of the jackal to become the lion's prey. He bid goodbye to his family and left for the lion's den unwillingly. Suddenly, on the way to the den, an idea struck him, and he purposely walked very slowly and reached late. Now, the lion was hungry because every day the animal used to come on time, but that day the jackal purposely went late. And out of hunger, the lion was angrier than before. He was furious. And before the lion could eat the jackal very respectfully said sorry to the lion for being late. He informed the lion that he had started for his den on time with two of his friends as a part of his meal. But on their way, they were attacked by another lion who said that he was the king of their jungle. The other lion also ate two of his friends, but somehow, with great difficulty, the jackal had managed to escape from the other lion. The lion was more angrier on hearing this and asked the jackal to take him to the place where the other lion was. The jackal took him to a well. The lion peeped inside the well and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was the other lion. Out of anger, without thinking, he jumped into the well to kill the other lion. He tried to come out of the well but could not and was finally drowned in the well. The clever jackal's intelligence had saved all the animals of the jungle. They were all very thankful to the jackal and lived peacefully ever after. The moral of the story is that intelligence wins over might. It is not necessary that you should be big and powerful. Your intelligence and your patience can make you win and solve all your problems. Now, we'll start. First, I'll revise the word meanings and meaning of phrases. Then I'll start with the comprehension part of the chapter. The first word meaning was ferocious, which means violent or inhuman. Second was propose. Propose means suggested. Third was reluctantly. Reluctantly means unwillingly, when you don't want to do a thing. Fourth was half-heartedly, and half-heartedly also means unwillingly, when you do not want to a thing, but then you have no other option rather than doing it. Fifth word is deliberately. Deliberately means knowingly or purposely. Knowingly you do a thing or purposely, both the words mean deliberately. Sixth word is usual. Usual means normal. Seventh word is apologized, means say sorry. Then eighth word is furious. Furious means angry. Ninth word is pounce. Pounce means jumped or attacked. 10th word is struggle. Struggle means fought, made an effort. When the lion fell into the well, he tried to come out of the well. That was an effort made by the by the lion to come out of the well, but then he could not succeed in doing so. The 11th new word is drown. Drown means died by suffocating in water. Now, meaning of phrases: came his way, to meet somebody unexpectedly. Means you have not planned to meet someone, but by chance, if you happen to meet someone, that is known as came his way. Now, living in fear means to always think about a scary thing or event, a thing which keeps on haunting you, that now this is going to happen, that is living in fear. No solution in sight means when you cannot find any answer. You know, there's no solution inside. That means no answer can be found. You don't have any other option. Fourth phrase is to say that final goodbye. That means to say goodbye for the last time. Like the animals, when they used to go to the Lions Day, they used to bid final goodbye to their friends and family because they knew that after that they'll be killed and they won't be able to see their friends and family. Had set off means to begin a journey, to start a journey. Now, we start with the comprehension. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the help box. The first word is intelligence. Second word is pounce. Third, apologize. Fourth, reluctantly. Fifth, deliberately. Now, you have to choose these words to fill in the blanks. The first sentence is, the animals of the forest dash agreed to send one animal every day to the lion as his meal. I mean, the animals didn't want to do it, but then they had to agree. So, which word will suit? The word would be reluctantly. Reluctantly means they are not willing, unwillingly. They agreed to the suggestion. Second sentence is, the jackal dashed walk slowly towards the lion's den. Now, how did the jackal walk? He purposely walked slowly, and purposely means deliberately. So, the second word would be deliberately. The jackal deliberately means purposely walk slowly towards the lion's den. The third sentence is, the jackal very respectfully dashed for being late. He was sorry. He apologized to the lion. So, the third word would be apologize. The jackal very respectfully apologized for being late. Apologize means to feel sorry. Fourth, the lion was very angry. In his anger, he dashed into the well to kill the other lion. Now, what did he do? When he saw the reflection in the water, he pounced into the well, jumped to attack the other lion. So, in the fourth sentence, which word will come? Pounced. Fifth, the jackal's dash saved the other animals of the forest. Now, what saved the other animals of the forest? The jackal's intelligence. So, in the fifth sentence, intelligence will come. Now, let's start with the answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Question number 1. What kind of a king was the lion? Now, after reading the story, you must be aware what type of king the lion was. The answer would be, the lion was a cruel and ferocious king. Again, I'm repeating. What kind of a king was the lion? The lion was a cruel and ferocious king. Second question. What did the animals of the forest decide to do? The animals of the forest decided to hold a meeting in order to solve the problem. What did the animals of forest decide to do? The animals of the forest decided to hold a meeting in order to solve the problem. Question number third. What did the jackal do when it was his turn? Answer. The jackal deliberately walked very slowly and reached late. Now, again I'm repeating. What did the jackal do when it was his turn? The jackal deliberately means purposely, walked very slowly and reached late. Question 4. What excuse did the jackal give for being late? Answer. The jackal very respectfully apologized for being late and informed him means the lion, that he had set off with two of his friends as part of the lion's meal. But on their way, they were attacked by another lion. Now, what excuse did the jackal give for being late? Answer. The jackal very respectfully apologized for being late and informed him that he had set off with two of his friends as part of the lion's meal. But on their way, they were attacked by another lion. Fifth question says, what was the lion's reaction to the jackal's story? Now, what was the lion's reaction to the jackal's story? The lion had believed to whatever the jackal said. So the answer would be the lion was furious on hearing this. He ordered the jackal to take him to the place where the other lion was. Now, what was the lion's reaction to the jackal's story? The lion was furious on hearing this. He ordered the jackal to take him to the place where the other lion was. Now, let's move on to the sixth question. How did the jackal save the lives of the animals of the forest? How did the jackal save the lives of the animals of the forest? The answer would be the clever jackal's intelligence had saved the lives of the animals of the forest. The clever jackal's intelligence had saved the lives of the animals of the forest. Now, the next part of the question is write the qualities of the following animals as they have been described in the stories. Now, after reading and understanding the story, you have to identify the qualities of the animals mentioned in the story. Now, first, lion. How was the lion? The first answer, what was the answer? The lion was cruel and ferocious. This was his quality. He didn't have mercy on other animals. So, the first quality of the lion will be the lion was cruel and ferocious. Now, the second bird is owl. How was the owl? The owl was wise. Though the owl was old, but then he was wise. So, wise is the quality of the owl. The owl was wise. Now, the third animal is jackal. Now, how was the jackal? The jackal was clever and intelligent. What was the quality of the jackal? The jackal was clever and intelligent. So, again, I'm repeating the qualities of the animals mentioned in the story. First is lion. The lion was cruel and ferocious. Second, owl. The owl was wise. Third, jackal. The jackal was clever and intelligent. Now children, the language structure we'll be doing in our next video.